Hi guys, I'm Jamie from Just Venue, and today we're going to help you with booking your space.
Finding the perfect space on Just Venue couldn't be easier. All we need to know is your occasion and your location. You can select from the predefined occasions or locations like so. Or alternatively, you can type in the box like so. Once you've chosen your occasion and your location, hit search. You'll then be presented with a list of all the suitable venues in the location. Once you've found the one that suits you, click, select the dates, the times, and hit either request to book or instant book. Once you hit the request to book, you'll be presented like a page like this. Type in how many people are coming, type in any comments that will be sent directly to the host. In my example here, I'm requesting a kid's 13th birthday party, and there'll be 10 kids coming along on the day. If you have any special table requirements that the tables need to be set out in for your event, type in your card details, your name, your card number, and the 3 digits from the back. The host will then either accept or reject the booking. It's really that simple.
So, hopefully that little guide was helpful. If not, and you've still got further questions, we've got a great team on hand to help. Just head on over to our help pages on our website. Until next time, you stay awesome.